Good morning, this is your daily outlook for September the 28th. The euro rallied against its major counterparts yesterday on hopes that European leaders will act in order to tackle the eurozone debt crisis. Against the dollar, the single currency jumped as high as 136.68 from 134.81. Later, the pair surrendered some of its gains to trade at 135.41 after German finance minister rejected the idea of expanding the European Financial Stability Facility rescue funds, while Financial Times reported that a split has opened in the eurozone over Greece's next bailout package. Versus the Japanese yen, the euro traded as high as 104.96 from 102.90 but later fell to 103.67. The US dollar was softer against a basket of currencies supported by a heightened risk appetite in the markets. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar dipped to 0.8924 from 0.9057. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar plummeted during today's Asian session on Japanese fund repatriation as Japanese exporters bought the yen ahead of Japan's financial half year. The pair jumped to 76.93 from 76.26 yesterday, but surrendered some of its gains, falling to 76.46. US consumer confidence disappointed investors after it showed an unexpected fall to 45.4. Focus turns to US durable goods orders and a speech by Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke expected later today. The Australian dollar rallied yesterday versus the dollar, gaining 2.1%, rising to 0.9985 from 0.9775. Heightened risk appetite as well as higher stocks and commodity prices pushed the Aussie higher. Today the pair is trading lower at 0.9842, while Eurozone officials struggle to restore confidence in the market. The British pound also rose yesterday against the dollar to as high as 157.04 from 155.25 on an improved risk sentiment. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices jump to $84.74 a barrel from $80.78. Gold edged lower today to $1,631.50 an ounce from $1,677.10. Silver also ticked lower today to $30.66 an ounce from $33.51. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 136.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 136.70. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 76.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.70. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9925 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9925. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 156 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.90. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 81.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 81.10. The gold pivot point is at 1624 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1624. And the silver pivot point is at 32.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 32.40. And for up-to-date information, please visit our website. On today's calendar, the market movers are the US durable goods orders in August forecast to fall 0.4%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday with the SP 500 up 1.07% and the Dow was up 1.33%. European bourses were also positive with the FTSE up 4.02%, the DAX was up 5.29% and the CAC was up 5.74%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.22% and the Hang Seng was down 0.90%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.